If you are starting with coding or version controls or using platforms like GitHub, you have probably heard of Git, but installing it on your Windows can feel a bit confusing the first time. So whether you are working for a school project, learning to code, or collaborate with a team, Git is essential. So in this video, I'll walk you through how you can install Git on your Windows 10 PC step by step and without any confusion. So let's make it simple and get you up and running in the minutes. So step 1 is to download Git. For that, you can open your browser and go to official Git website, which is git-scm.com. The home page will automatically detect your system. Just click the big downloads for Windows button, and once the exe file is downloaded, you just have to click it to start the startup. Now you will see a series of startup screens. Here's what to choose. You can click next on the welcome screen and choose the default install locations unless you want it somewhere else. Just keep the default components selected like git bash, git GUI, etc, and just click next. And here are few recommended settings during setup. For editor, you can choose Notepad, which is default, or any your preferred editor. You can adjust your path, choose Git from the command line and also from third-party app, this recommended option. Just HTTPS transports, you can use the recommended OpenSSL, and for line ending you can select checkout Windows style or you can commit UNIX style. Terminal emulator, for that you can choose git bash, which is default, and then keep clicking next through the rest of the options, and at the end you can click install. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and press the bell icon for more tech videos like that. If you got any question or got stuck somewhere, you can drop them in the comments. I'll happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.